Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm gonna show you about my new open source Android application. I name it Dialog, or in Indonesian, we can spell it Dialogue. I created this application because I need a tool to make easy for me to learn English. In my case, I want to learn English when I'm free. I want to learn English and I need a mentor that I can ask any questions and also he can give me assignments. So based on this, the idea occurred to create a conversational application using Chat GPT as the backend. We know how powerful Chat GPT is assisting our work, and I think it's very appropriate if ChatGPT is used as a virtual English mentor. Then I try to start design the application that I want to make. I did an exploration by looking at some application references. The result of my exploration is to make a chat application with ChatGPT as our conversation partner or as our English mentor. We can give command to ChatGPT. We can ask ChatGPT to give us English practice. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this app works. Then I will show you the code and I will review my code in a short time. Okay, let me open Android Studio and running Dialog apps on emulator. I run the source code on my emulator. Maybe a lot of key feature I have not worked on yet, like warning or some alert when the session is empty. Okay, first, before we can operate these apps, we must add APK of ChatGPT. In this video, you can get the APK of ChatGPT with open this URL, platform.openai.com. You can register with your email and you have verification of your number phone. So just register and verify your phone number. This is a main page of platform.openai.com and you should click on here and click view APKs and create new secret key. Click on APKs and click button create new secret key. I've created. This is my APK, so I don't need to create again. After you get the APK, then run the application and you can click on three dots on right up the application and click on setting and put the APK in here. You can copy paste your APK and then click on the checklist image. Success, APK saved. Then you click on plus button, floating action button, title section 1. Okay, and session is success created. Then we click on section 1. The apps have not loading progress when we try to access API of ChatGPT. When we try to open the first session or the initial of session, the application send request to APA of Chat GPT with some prompt. This is the prompt that's sent to the API of Chat GPT. This is prompt. You can access on Common Cons class. And then I told the Chat GPT that Chat GPT is a tutor English, and the details you can see on Common Cons class. You can type something, the answers or your request to ChatGPT, and then you can click on this button to record your voice, and the system and the application will translate your voice to the text, and then you can send what your response or what your request. On the right up menu, you can find some feature like writing, reading, grammar, vocab, and translate. On the writing menu, there is some prompt that we can send to ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will respond our message. This is the response of ChatGPT. You can read the conversation, and this is same like with writing, reading, and grammar, but on vocab and translate, this is a dictionary, mini dictionary. We try to add vocabulary. This is can auto translate. For example, we can input the English vocab, and we can click on auto translate. On my case, it's still to translate to Bahasa Indonesia. You can change with your language with edit on the prompt on Common Cons. This is the result of translate of ChatGPT. We can click on here. This is English, and then this is a Bahasa Indonesia. And then this button can we can ask to ChatGPT to give us the example sentences of this word. This is the feature. Yes, ChatGPT give me an example of messy word. Room is messy. Kamar ini berantakan. You can add some word or sentences. Scoot over. Okay, something like that you can add. And then we need some sentences that we can learn about this word. We can click, but it is we need some loading or progress bar when the apps is try to get the answer from this request, but I have do the add progress bar yet. This is some example of sentences of scoot over. Yes, you can add vocab and translate on main menu, so you can learn or can review your vocabulary. Okay, that's all. This is a feature of dialogue that application that provide you to learn English more fluent. and right now this app is still going to maintenance and going to update the feature for me, but I hope you can collaborate to add some feature or fixing bugs, so the dialogue apps is can more stable and more the feature is more upgraded. You can access the repository on my GitHub, Septiawan AJP, and you can fork and pull requests when you do something about this repository. This is open, let's contribute. Thank you for your attention.